Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we will help you in understanding the interface of Power BI. Power BI is a business application tool that help you in understanding data in a better way. Now let us go further and explore what are the points to be discussed in this video. In this video, we will discuss 4 points. In the first point, we will discuss how many different views are there in data model. In the second point, we will see what role does those views play. And in the third point, we will see where is field visualization and filter column present and what are their roles. And in the fourth point, we will see what is ribbon and how does they play a role in interface. So these are the points that will be discussed in this video. Now let us go to the Power BI desktop and help you understanding these points in a better way. We are a Power BI desktop. So now let's talk about the interface. So basically we have four core areas. You have ribbon on the top. You have that left column right here. You have that center part where you can see the actual content of each view. And you have the columns on the right side. These are the column on the right side. So basically we have four core areas. First, this one. Second, this one. Third, this one. Or fourth is this one, which include filter, visualization and fields. Now I talked about the view. The views can be selected in the left column. At the moment we are in report view and it is displayed right here. The report view is the view where we generate our visualization. So report view is where we generate our visualization, right? Now if we switch to the data view, which is second button, then we can see the actual data model. So the data we created and we worked on throughout the data modeling step. The third button opens the relationship view. So this is a relationship view that allows us to connect the table in a data model with each other. So I hope you understand what is a relationship view. So that the first thing you should know, you have three views. By clicking onto the different button in the left column. So these are the three left column. So now let's focus on the right part of the screen where visualization fields and filters come. Now let us focus on the right part of the screen where filters, visualization and fields come into play. So let's talk about the visualization first. The visualization, well, that columns allow us to select different visualization. These are the different visualization that we have in Power BI desktop. For instance, if I select our world map like this, and then after that I will press onto a column chart, then the visualization type changes. So listen to this carefully what I am going to say, that we did not change anything about the content that should be displayed. If I want to change the content, then I have to change the field columns. So you can see if I click back on the world map, you can easily see the content has not changed. It's just a visualization that actually changed. And if I want to change the content, I will change the country or something like which can manipulate it in the field area, or I can change in the filter areas. If you see in the field area, at the moment we have selected country and GDP and we don't have a lot of data to play around with at the moment. So I don't change a thing right here. Now let's change that the visualization back to a world map. Now let's focus on the column, on that column, because now I will switch to the data view. And in the data view, we will see that visualization column is gone. This has a simple reason. You cannot visualize anything right here, so you don't need that column. However, the field column is still here, and this makes sense because you need that column, for instance, to create measures. You may not know what measures at the moment. You will learn that, so don't worry, but you can create the measures instance in both view, in the report view and in the data view. And this might be a nice help if you are looking at some visualization and you see that you are missing some important information and you need a calculation for. However, in this video we will focus on the interface. Now, if we select the last view, the relationship view, we see that the view column disappears, and this makes some sense because in the views every content will be displayed as a box. So this is a box in which every content is displayed as, and by every content I mean every table, every point in this table will be displayed into a this box, because this allows you to connect the tables and the column with each other. However, you might note that we have table 1 and then the column names are equal to the table and the column name in the field view. So I basically, it's just a display differently with some different functionalities, but the content is basically the same. Now we understand the left column, the center part, and the right column. So the last thing we need to understand is the ribbon part. So this is the ribbon part. Now let's go to the first into the report view and then look into the ribbon part. At the moment we see 7 ribbons: the home, the insert, the modeling, the view, the help, the format, the data slash drill. Because I selected our visualization, so our world map. Let me just unselect and click on anywhere in the report view. You can see now only the 5 ribbons is left. The insert, the modeling, the view, and the help. We will talk about the file ribbon later. So the home ribbon does not change. The only thing that changes is the functionality. We will talk about the file ribbon later. So home ribbon doesn't change. The only thing that changes is the functionality that are available depending on the view you selected. For instance, when you see the functionality that are available in the home while in the report view, when you go into the data view, you will see there are almost the same functionality, but the security functionality adds up in a data view. While when we go into the relationship model, we will see, we go into the relationship view, we will see the functionality of the home tab remains same, but the Q&A adds up in relationship view. While we get back into the report view, we'll talk about the second ribbon, that is insert. Now click on insert, you will see that the functionality of the insert is completely different in 3 parts. When you see the visuals that are available in the report view, it is not available in the data view or in relationship view, but insert is available in report view, because you can visualize and insert certain things into the visualization or in report view, but you cannot do anything in a data view and a relationship view. So when we get into the third ribbon, we will see the modeling options also available only into the report view, because you can see in the data view the modeling option is not required because you cannot model the data. You can only model the visualization perspective. In the data view, when you see, there is one extra ribbon, that is table tool, because this will be helpful in understanding or changing the column and making a new table in your data view. The view ribbon, you will see the visualization theme, page view, phone layout, that can be only done to the visualization, but that cannot be done to the data. That's why it is not given into the report view or relationship view. It is only given into the report view. When you go to the help ribbon, you will see that there is a help that can be available to you by Power BI desktop, in which information, help, community or resources you can easily get to. While the data view and model also has a help ribbon which shows the same thing, because the help that you need is certainly the same in 3 of them. We now have a basic understanding of the interface of data model. I hope you have understand every perspective of the 4 core areas that are available in a Power BI desktop. So with this point, I'm going to end this video and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and a good day.